Okay, we've let our stick dry. We have our figure here. We want to drill our hole for our string to go up in here. And you want to be centered inside the head when you drill your hole. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. So we have our hole drilled up through here. We're about center where we want to be. I might want to come back a little bit more. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.